Once there was a very rich magician who had great many sheep. But at the same time, this magician was very mean. He did not want to hire shepherds, nor did he want to erect a fence above the pasture where his sheep were grazing. The sheep consequently often wandered into the forest, fell into valleys, and so on, and above all, they ran away, for they knew that the magician wanted their flesh and skin, and this they did not like. At last, the magician found a remedy. He hypnotized his sheep and suggested to them, first of all, that they were immortals and that no harm was being done to them when they were skinned, that on the contrary, it would be very good for them and even pleasant. Secondly, he suggested that the magician was a good master who loved his flocks so much that he was ready to do anything in this world for them. And in the third place, he suggested to them that if anything at all was going to happen to them, it was not going to happen just then. At any rate, not that day, and therefore they had no need to think about it. Further, the magician suggested to his sheep that they were not sheep at all. To some of them, he suggested that they were lions, to others, that they were eagles, to others, that they were men, and others, that they were magicians. And after this, all his cares and worries about the sheep came to an end. They never ran away again, but quietly awaited the time when the magician would require their flesh and their skins. George Gurdjieff loved this parable very much. His whole philosophy is contained in this small parable, and this parable represents man in the ordinary state of unconsciousness. It is one of the most beautiful illustration of man as he is. Man is a machine. So friends, through this story, I want to remind you all that we all are also, I should say, affected by the media, which is showing us the wrong. It is not about wrong, which is showing us the false picture of ours, and we all are like sheep. We are not running away from our own destruction. We all are ready and in front of the line to get ourselves destroyed, and we believe that we are lion, and whatever is going to happen wrong is not going to happen today. And friends, this is a false notion, and that is why we all are suffering this COVID-19, because we never wanted to believe that we can suffer. And friends, it is high time to get up and bring the awareness around yourself, in the society, with everyone, that we need to savor, we need to preserve our mother nature, we need to preserve the wildlife, we need to remain with them like friends. And if not friends, we need to let the life of other forms also exist parallel to us. So friends, it is very important that we all also understand. And 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 one of the very remarkable thing in this story is that if we all are sheep, so who is this magician out there? So don't have any doubt that this magician is God, or someone almighty sitting up on the clouds. No friends, this is a group of people who are targeting us for their own selfish motives, for their own selfishness. And we need to wake up. This is high time to wake up from our deep sleep. We need to take off our faces, and we need to face the real world out there and contribute whatever we can do. So we'll be meeting soon, and I really would like to ponder upon this story again. Till then, bye.